not hear the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran. They forgot Allah. They neglected Allah. So then Allah made them forget who they are. Allahu Akbar. Are you listening to this verse carefully? Allah is speaking about those who forgot Allah's verses. Those who forgot, who neglected Allah, their creator, and turned to other things as being their objective. Turned to other things as being the most important thing for them. Turn to other things which they should strive for and reach instead of Allah. Allah says they forgot Allah by being distracted by other things other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, until what? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them forget who they even are. Made them forget their own identity. Made them forget who you are and what is your purpose. Where are you heading? نَسُوا اللَّهَ فَأَنْسَاهُمْ أَنفُسَهُمْ. They forgot Allah, so then Allah made them forget themselves. This is something natural. This is something normal to occur. This is the effect of that. The cause is that we chose to forget Allah, those people who forgot. So the result of that naturally equals a person forgetting who they even are. When you forget who you are, your heart becomes hardened. Your heart becomes darkened. And when our hearts become darkened, we become unhappy. When we become unhappy, we want to be happy. So when we meet people, what do? We act. We act. We put on a show. We become into a state of riya, a form of hypocrisy, walayadu billah. Because a person wants to find happiness and they can't. And so they look for other things to bring them happiness, and the first thing they look for is worldly things that can bring them this happiness and this satisfaction. Otherwise they feel that they have no value whatsoever. And this cannot be achieved except with hypocrisy. And there is no truth to it. These types of people lead on. What else? They start to lose their sight, their hearing. They start to lose themselves by going on to intoxications. And a lot of them who we hear about, such as celebrities and the likes of them, whom we on television, we think that they are living the life. But what happens to them? Suddenly we hear about them committing suicide. We hear about them dying of drugs, of alcohol. We find them partying all night until they died. They partied to death. These types of people, we think they are living the life. And then we start to imitate them, thinking that this is where happiness comes from. But what's actually happened here to these people, Muslim or non-Muslim?